court bar. My question goes to the IG representative and the NSA. Sir, in Bayelsa State, precisely a community known as Opu Nembe is very viral on social media. And sir, there are a series of reports with respect to SWAT. Reports against SWAT members in respect of aiding community members to invade a community which is known as Opu Nembe. And the state government in its last executive meeting has also prayed to the federal government to withdraw the SWAT. There were pockets of abuse of human rights in that community. Then secondly, sir, to the NSA. Sir, you said about quick response to security complaints. Sir, in respect of that community, the community was invaded on the 5th day of February by some members. And that community wrote a petition to the Inspector General of Police. On the 17th of February 2023, there was no response. A follow-up of a petition dated February, there was no response. The petition on March outlined the culprits. Then a later petition was written by this same culprit, and the SWAT immediately responded to that petition. The invade on the 15th, 3 able youths were killed. There were exhibits sent to Elele. The police restrained their officers to get those exhibits, and also an autopsy result was also conducted. Up till date, that the police has not yet released that autopsy result. Sir, what do you have to say to the issue of Opu Nembe in Bayelsa State? Thank you, sir.
We have 3 questions to go.